Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopper block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best ham and bean, southern style bean recipe. Now for this, you're going to need a half a pound, a pound and a half of beans. You need to soak these overnight. So this was down here. Now as you can see, they're getting swelled up pretty good here. See? All right. So you're gonna want to clean those up, wash them, and all that good stuff. All right. And then before you do all that, you're gonna pick them. That's why I had the stuff sitting right here. You're gonna see a bunch of debris and stuff like that in there, like this. Get that out, okay? I just showed you guys that. You're gonna have to pick them. All right. All right, here's my ham. This is leftover from a holiday, Thanksgiving, not Thanksgiving, but Easter or something. So I'm just gonna put these up in this pot right here. I have a pot right here. So I'm just gonna throw those up in there. We want a lot. I want a lot of meat in mine. This is the whole big bone. I'm gonna drop that up in there. I ain't cutting nothing up. I'm just dropping them in there. They're gonna cook down and everything gonna be just fine. Okay, here's my beans. They've been washed 3 to 4 times in salt water. I'm gonna put that in the pot. So, and then I always check them again before I even do all that. You may have something in there. You don't want to bite into a rock or nothing, do you? So that's that. Now let's go ahead and get these seasonings going. Now for this, you're gonna need some bay leaf. I got 2 of those. I got some lemon pepper. I'm gonna put like a tablespoon of that in there. I got some granulated garlic, but this one is not open. So I guess I open up, get this other one. Put some granulated garlic in there, like a tablespoon of that. All right. Now we got some granulated onion. I'm gonna go with a tablespoon of that. Just like so. All right. I was gonna use the adobo, but I decided not to use it. Got some salt. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of salt in there because I don't want my stuff to be salty. You can always season it later. So I'm gonna put a teaspoon of that in there. I got some coarse black pepper right here. Put a half a teaspoon of that in there because we already had some lemon pepper, right? All right, guys. Now, last but not least, I got some bouillon flavor, chicken flavor stuff right here. All right. I'm gonna go in there with like a tablespoon of that. So when you're cooking this, you're gonna have to fill your pot up to cover the beans. So I don't know how many cups they're gonna be right now, but I'll let you guys know. And we're gonna cook this, guys, for about 2 hours until them beans become done. And when they get close to being done, that's when we're gonna add our old school recipe. And this is baking soda, baking powder or whatever. Okay, baking powder, yeah, but no, it's baking soda. So we just gonna put like a 1/4 teaspoon of that in there, and that helps kills the gas. Okay, that's why we do that. Then we're gonna put a little, like a tablespoon of A1 steak sauce in there. Trust me, try this recipe, guys. I promise you, you're gonna fall in love with it. All right, guys, I'm gonna see you guys when this stuff getting close to being done. All right, see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, this is how you want it to look. You want to cover all them beans up because it's going to cook for quite some time, okay? So just make sure you know that. All right, I'm going to see you guys when it's getting close to being done. All right, in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. Just showing you this is an hour in. And I want to put some of this on. Sorry about the camera. Had it too close. Let me see if I can adjust that. Okay guys, I'm back. I just want to put like a quarter teaspoon of this baking powder in there. This thing keep fogging up my camera. See if I can get that. Okay, that's the baking stuff in there. All of it is going to just take away a lot of that gassy stuff. It will cook down. I know it looks like it's a hot mess, but it's going to cook down. This thing can stop messing up my camera. Got to hold it way back here. So yeah, that's like a quarter teaspoon of that baking soda. If you don't want a lot of gas, that's what you want to do. Some people say you can use butter as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let this go ahead and finish cooking about another hour, and all this meat is still gonna fall off that bone. All right guys, I'm gonna see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm finally done with this ham and beans Southern style recipe. All right, so I did make some hoe cakes right here. Of course, I have to, if you like me, you're gonna use some hot sauce with yours. Some people do it, some don't. So let me just show you that. Let me just bring this up here closer. Show you how that looks without burning myself. So that's how that looks. Got me some green onions in there. That's how we do it Southern style way. My ham and all that good stuff in there. And it tastes yummy. No doubt about it. I'm gonna let you guys get some real quick. All right, there you go guys, right there. You can have that bite right there. A little ham and some beans. All right, get your full, get your stuff in right there. All right guys, okay guys, now if you like this recipe, oh yeah, at the end I did like 15 minutes, took me 2 hours and 15 minutes to cook this. And well, you know, this wasn't even a part of it, but took 2 hours 15 minutes. So when it was 2 hours, I took some like 3 teaspoons, not 3, just 1 teaspoon of A1 steak sauce in there. Okay, but if you like this video guys, give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching, and I'm out. Much love.